Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we came with Diwali special coconut ladoo. 1 fresh coconut crushed, condensed milk 300 ml. Pour the crushed coconut into the blender. Blend it for just 1 minute. It should not become fine powder, just blend it. Pour it into frying pan. Stir continuously till the raw smell goes. Take some powder from here to garnish. Now it's time to add condensed milk. Stir it well till it separates from the fry pan. Add pinch of cardamom powder. Now it's time to make balls, it means ladoos. Apply some ghee on hand so that it should not stick. Make ball, then dip into coconut powder which we kept aside for garnish. It will be very tasty and quick recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.